Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our lesson number 16, that is water, a precious resource. So we'll see first the introduction part of the lesson. Lesson number 16, water, a precious role. Jal hai to kal hai. If you have water, you can think of the future. This means without water, there is no future. We can't survive, or any living being can't survive without water. Now we'll start with the introduction part. You are perhaps aware that 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group. Some of the posters presented on the day are shown in figure 16.1. See the pictures. We also in our school do such type of activities about save water and all that on World Water Day. You might be remember on 22nd March it is celebrated as World Water Day. So what is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in the class. Now what observation or what message you get from this? That save water. Without water there is no future. So water is the precious means priceless. Okay, त्याची आपण किंमत कशातच करू शकत नाही, लाईक दॅट इज प्रिशियस. हॅव यू एवर फेल्ट अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ वॉटर ॲट होम और ॲट स्कूल? युअर पॅरेंट्स और टीचर्स मस्ट व्हेरी ऑफन बी ॲडवायझिंग यू नॉट टू वेस्ट वॉटर. नो वंडर वी सेलिब्रेट वॉटर डे एव्हरी इयर टू अट्रॅक्ट द अटेन्शन ऑफ एव्हरीबडी टुवर्ड्स द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ कॉन्झर्विंग वॉटर. कॉन्झर्विंग म्हणजे पाणी बचत करण्यासाठी. Now, sometimes in summer season we feel shortage of water. In many villages, towns, we feel there is shortage of water. पाणी आपल्याला लवकर येत नाही, 8-8 दिवस नळाला पाणी येत नाही. So we try to store water and then use it. So to avoid such type of things, we have to save water. From now only you have to start that. And don't waste water. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person day. Means एका व्यक्तीने एका दिवसाला फक्त 50 liters of पाणी यूज करायचे. You think about that, how much water you waste. And from today, start it. This amount is about 2.5 bucket of water only per person per day. Is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortunate. म्हणजे तुम्ही नशीबवान आहात की तुम्हाला एवढं पाणी मिळतंय. Because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. What about your friends and their families? Share your experience with them. You also might have heard about that some people, they have no water. In some slum areas we also see there are lines, queues for water. एकच नळ असतो, त्या नळाला भरपूर लाईन लागलेली असतात, त्यातून एक एक बकेट पाणी घेतलं जातं फॉर ईच फॅमिली. सो वी आर व्हेरी lucky to have water with us. But if we think about such people who did not get water, then we will understand what is their situation. Okay, in some places there is an acute shortage of water. Taps running dry, long queues for water, fights, marches and protests for demand of water have become a common sight. म्हणजे त्याच्यासाठी लढतात, मार्चेस म्हणजे रॅलीज वगैरे घेतात फॉर वॉटर. दे नीड टू डू सच थिंग्स. Especially such things occurred mostly during summer season. Some of the newspaper clippings shown in figure 16.3 clearly indicate this message. Is it not true that we face acute shortage of water? See the poster given in your textbook. You can see that. From that you will understand. increase your productivity. What if 2006 get less rain? So you know what are the causes of less rain, why there is shortage of water. You know all these reasons, you have studied many times such type of things. So you will understand how water shortage is there. Now we'll see the activity given here. First activity: collect clippings from newspaper and magazines on the news items, articles and pictures related to water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share it with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them in the class. Water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than one-third of people in the world could face water scarcity. Before we discuss why water is getting scarce, we must know how much water is available for use on our planet. Now you know our planet, it is given in figure 16.4. You can see Earth appears blue from space. Now first we'll see this, how much water is available. Look at the picture of the Earth taken from space. Why does it appear blue? Surely you can guess. Now see here, you can see the picture clearly. Blue area, that is of water area. Okay. You are aware that about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Almost all the water on the Earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwater and in the atmosphere. However, most of this water is not fit for human consumption. The water that is fit for use is fresh water. That is fit for use is fresh water. Perform the following activity to estimate roughly the relative amount of water available in some of these sources. Now this activity we'll do afterwards, but you try to understand the earth picture, and 97% of water is there on the earth. Total fresh water which we can drink, that is only 2%. Okay, and from that only 1% is available for us as fresh water. म्हणजे आपल्याला प्यायचं पाणी फक्त 1% आहे. So from this you will understand how much we need to save water. So this was the introduction part of the lesson. Water a precious resource. त्याला precious का म्हटलं जातं? It is priceless. It is most important part of our life. Okay. So for today we'll stop here. We'll do that activity and further points in the next video. Read the lesson carefully and try to understand what is given in the introduction. So we'll stop here. Thank you.